guys, my name is Webaffoh from Webaffohghana.com and you are welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn what is plugin and how to install plugin in your WordPress website. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Click on the bell icon to turn on the notification so that you don't miss any further video. Let's get started. In our previous video, we learned what is WordPress and how to install WordPress locally on your computer. So that was the part 1 of the video. And then the part 2, we learned how to create pages, how to create menus, and how to create sub-menus. And then we also learned how to add themes in your WordPress website. You can go to YouTube and search for Webaffoh Ghana, and then you can watch the previous tutorials we have done. The part 1 of the video was what is WordPress and how to install WordPress locally on your computer. And then the part 2 was how to create pages, how to create menus, how to create sub-menus, and then how to add themes in your WordPress website. So in today's video, as part 3, we are going to learn what is plugin and then how to install plugins in your WordPress website. So what is plugin? A plugin is a software that add extra functionality to your website. If I say add extra functionality to your website, what does it mean? For example, let's look at the previous website we created, Smart Learners. This is the website we created in our previous video. So when you visit the home page, when you click on the home page, you see there's nothing on the page. The same thing when you go to about page, nothing on the page. So to add some styles, to add some functionality, to make the website look more professional, you can add plugins to it to do those functionality. Let's visit my website. Okay, when you visit my website webaffohghana.com and you go to about page, you could see that there is some nice animation at the background of the website. Okay, this animation or this background animation you see, you can use a plugin to do that, right? So when you visit our website right now and you go to about page, you see that there's nothing on the page. So in this, you can use a plugin to do that. At the same time, when you visit my home page, you could see that you could see some background images, you could see some text animation, you could see a lot of text. You could see some news, other things on the website. All this information, you see it here arranged nicely. You can use a plugin to do that. So a plugin adds extra functionality to your website. You can get a plugin, some free and others too are paid plugins. The paid plugins come with cost that you have to pay it before you can get the plugin to install on your website. And those paid plugins, they are normally called it premium plugins. And those plugins, when you buy it, you can get some support from the developers. So when you have money, it's better to buy a premium plugin. Some of the free plugins, there is some restriction or there is some limitation on it. And sometimes when the developers add some updates and you are using a free plugin, you won't get the updates. So it's better to get a premium plugin or pay plugin. So you may ask, how can I install a plugin on my website? To install a plugin on your website, you can open a new tab and then you can go to WordPress website. So you open a new tab and type in www.wordpress.org and then hit enter. When you click on a download and extend, you see that there is a plugin. So when you click on a plugin, you see that WordPress is having about 59,943 free plugins. In fact, WordPress is doing well. You see, it's having about 59,943 free plugins as at now 2022. Let's look at some of the examples of the plugin. Some of the examples of the plugin has been grouped or it has been categorized. We have e-commerce websites. So when you search for e-commerce plugin, e-commerce plugin. When you hit enter, you could see that WordPress is having a lot of free e-commerce plugin you can install. Look at the first one. The first one is a WooCommerce. WooCommerce, and it's having about 5 million plus active installation. You see, so this plugin is so popular that this is what many people use to build an e-commerce website. When you also search for a plugin like forms, 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 when you hit enter, you could get many free plugins you can use to create your forms on your website. For example, when you visit my website once again and you go to my contact page, you could see that I have these beautiful and nice forms here. So if someone want to contact me or reach me through email, the person fill in this information, your name, your email, and you type your message, you click send, the person can reach me. So to get this functionality on your website, there is a plugin there called Forms. So you can use a form plugin to do that. So let's see if we can get another plugin. So these are forms. So there are a lot of plugins you can use to create your forms on your website. Look at it, there are a lot of free forms plugin. All right, any plugin that will come in your mind, just go to WordPress plugin and then you search for that plugin, you get it. When you search a plugin and it didn't come, meaning that plugin is not free. So now that you know some examples of WordPress plugin from their website, you may ask that how can I install any one of these? Like this contact form by WordPress form, Forminator contact form 7. You may ask that how can I install any of these? So to install any one of these plugin, you go to your website. So go to your website and then go to your dashboard. So on your website, go to your dashboard. So when you go to your dashboard, then you can, when you hover on the plugin, you see install plugin and add new plugins. So let's see how we can install one of the plugins. So click on add new plugin, and then this is the platform where you can install a free plugin from WordPress website, right? So let's see if we can install a plugin that we can use to create a forms on our website, right? So let's search for a plugin called forms plugin, then hit enter, right? So you could see that the plugin, we saw it on the WordPress website. You can get it from WordPress dashboard. So you could see that there are a lot of forms plugin available in WordPress website. Let's look at something here. It said contact form 7. It said this plugin doesn't work with your version of your WordPress. So some of the plugins too, it doesn't work with the version of the WordPress you are using. So meaning you have to go and upgrade your WordPress that you are using currently, right? So right now, because we have not upgraded our WordPress we are using right now, we can't install this form, right? So the moment you click please update WordPress, or you can able to install this one. So let's install this plugin, contact form by WordPress form or WP form. So to do that, click on install. Click on install. So now the plugin is being installed on your WordPress dashboard, right? So the contact form by WP forms is being installed on our WordPress. So look at this. So it has been installed, right? So let's go to our dashboard, then go to plugins, then install plugins. You can activate it from here, or you can also come to your dashboard, come to your plugins, and then you see activate WP Forms Lite. So click on activate. Right, so our forms has been activated. Our forms has been activated. You see that the moment we activated the plugin, you see that it has been added to our menus. Right, so you could see when you hover on the WP forms, you see there are a lot of sub menus under it. So you see all forms, click on all forms. When you click on all forms, you see there are a lot of forms available on your website right now. Let's see the plugin we have installed and we have activated. Let's see if we can create some forms. So to do that, you click on add new on your WP forms. You click on add new, right? So when you click on add new, you see there are a lot of forms you can build using this plugin. You can create a blank form. You can create a refer a friend and win a form. You can create a constant contact sign up form. You can create a future request form. You can create a country drop down contact form. You can create content download form, birthday party invitation form. You can create simple contact form. You can create secret center sign up form, constant contact newsletter sign up form. So by installing this plugin, guys, you have a great opportunity to create many forms, right? It's plenty. It's plenty. In fact, you see some of them are premium, meaning you see pro. So the pro that means you have to buy it. Donation form, you have to buy this plugin. We have the request a quote form. This one also is a premium or paid plugin. You have to buy it before you can use this form. You see, so all the plugins that you see attached to it as pro, meaning you have to buy that plugin before you can use it, right? When you scroll to the top, you can see the free one. All these ones are free. You can use it. So let's see if we can create a simple contact form. So to do that, you can also view the demo. Any of the plugin or any of the form that you click on, you can view the demo, right? You can view the demo. You can view the demo. So when you click on refer a friend and win a form, you can click on view demo. When you click on view demo, you see how it will look like. You see, nice, right? Nice. So let's go and see if you can create a simple contact form. So to do that, click on use template. Use template. This is the template of the form we are going to create. It has been already built for you, right? So these are the controls. You can control this form here. You can adjust it. So you can add some fields. You see there are lots of options here. You can add single line text. You can add drop down. You can check box and stuff. You can, when you go to the advanced option, there are a lot of things you can also do it here, right? So to create this form, you have to click on save. The moment you click on save, it will automatically save for you. But we are not going to save, but we are going to use the code to install this plugin, right? So to do that, click on embed, right? Click on embed form. So click on it. So when you click on it, you see that it said select an existing page or create a new page. So when you select an existing page, the pages we have created already in our previous tutorials, we learned how to create pages. So if you don't know how to create a page, you can go to YouTube and search for Webaffoh Ghana and then search for a tutorials called how to create pages, how to create menus, and how to create sub menus. And then you can watch that tutorials to create a page on your website. So we've created a lot of pages already. These pages we've created, we did it in our previous tutorial. So the forms is requesting that we should create this form on the existing pages we have selected already. So assuming we have selected the home page, meaning the form is going to be created on the home page. Say select a page. So let's go and create this page on our contact page, right? So click on contact and then select let's go, right? So the moment you click on let's go, you see that the code has been automatically copied to that page, right? The contact page. So this short code is what is going to create the form for us, right? So click on this done. So if you are okay with the form you have created, then click on updates. Click on updates. So when you click on updates, let's go to our website to see the form we have created right now. So click on refresh the page, and then when you refresh the page, let's go to contact page. Click on contact page, and here we come. Now our contact forms has been created nicely for us, guys. This plugin tool is amazing. This plugin tool is so amazing. So you see, as soon as you install the plugin on your website, now you have able to create a contact forms. So with this, it's working perfectly. So right now you can even test. You can test. Okay, now let's see. Let's test out the forms we've created right now. Let's test it to see. So assuming you want to reach me on my website, or you want to reach smart learners, you want to reach smart learners through email. So when you visit the site and you go to contact page, the page will ask you to fill some information, your name. So let me type in my name is Webaffoh. My first name is Webaffoh. My last name is Gabriel. And then my email address is this one. And then your message. So maybe I'll type in, hi, smart learners, please, I want to learn how to design a website. Hi, smart learners. Please, I want to learn how to design a website. So assuming this is the information you want from smart learners, so you click on submit, and great, you see the moment you submit your information, you see thanks for contacting us, we will be in touch with you shortly. You see, so the form is working perfectly. You see, so this is amazing plugin that you can install on your website right now. So when you go to now, the plugin is working perfectly, right? Let's go and see if we can create another form, right? So to do that, you can once again go to your dashboard, and then you still go to WP forms, and then you click on add new. In this case, let's create another simple form, or let's go and create newsletter sign up. So click on use template. You see, so this is a newsletter sign up. So the moment, so this one also use your name, your first name, your last name, your email address, then submit, right? So we are still going to use the code. So click on embed. Now this one we are not going to use the existing page, but we are going to create a page for that. So to do that, click on create new page, and then is that the name of your page. So the name of the page will be called, this one will be called newsletter sign up. Newsletter sign up. So this will be the page. So click on let's go newsletter sign up page, right? So when you are done, then you click on publish. You click on publish. So let's go to our website to see the page we have created right now. So visit site, and then here it is. You see the page we created has come right now. You see newsletter sign up. So click on it, and here it is. The form is working perfectly, guys. This plugin is so amazing. This plugin is so I love this plugin. In fact, I love this plugin. So newsletter sign up. So this one, the moment someone fill in this information and click on submit, anytime you give some information on your website or about your business, the person will get it, right? So this is how this plugin work. Let's go and see if we can install another plugin. Now we understand how WP plugin is working. Let's go and install one more plugin to get more understanding of how a plugin does. So let's go and install another plugin to get more understanding about how WordPress plugin work. So right now, I believe you've gotten an understanding of if I say a plugin add extra functionality to your website. I believe you've now gotten it, right? So let's go and see if you can install another plugin. So to do that, you still go to your dashboard once again, your dashboard, and then you go to plugin, then you click on add new plugin. Click on add new plugin, and then this time around we are not going to install a forms plugin, but we are going to install a different plugin. Okay, so let's see if we can install a plugin called a backup plugin. Right now, the website you have created right now, you are able to create pages, you are able to add some menus to your website. So maybe you don't want this website to get lost, or if something happens to your machine or your laptop, maybe you may lose this website you have created, or maybe you've forgotten and you uninstall this WP local wheel from your computer. Maybe you may lose this website you have created. So maybe in the nearby future, you want this website you have created, you want it back, you want to use it, right? So to do that, you can install a plugin or a backup plugin. So let's go and see if you can install a backup plugin to keep this website we have created for a future use. So come to search plugins, then you click on backup plugins, backup plugin, right? Let's see if you can get some backup plugins. See, there are a lot of backup plugins available here. You see, there are a lot of plugins here. You see, duplicator. This is a backup plugin. Back in stock notifier for WooCommerce. There are a lot of free backup plugins, right? But there's one favorite plugin I like most, which I normally use. It's called, that plugin is called WP Vivid plugin. WP Vivid plugin. And this is the plugin. I like this plugin so much. You can install this plugin on your website so that you can back up your website you have created, right? So you see, it has about 200,000 active installation. You see, so many people are using this plugin. So to get it, so click on install now. So the plugin is being installed on your WordPress website, right? There are different plugins you can use to back up your website. You see this one, compress, resize, and lazy load. You see WP backup for main WP. There are lots of database snapshots WP Vivid. Okay, so our plugin has been installed. So let's activate it right now. So click on activate. Click on activate. And good, our plugin has been activated. So when you come down, you see on your menus, your dashboard, on your menus, the moment you click on activate, you see that the plugin has been added to your menus. So you see WP Vivid Backup. So there are a lot of options here. You see backup and install. We have uh, export and import. We have image cleaner. We have the settings, and then we have this one also is here. So right now we are going to back up our website right now, right? So how can you do that? So to do that, hover on the plugin you install right now, the WP Vivid, and then select on backup and install. So click on backup and install. So when you click on backup and install, you see we have backup now. So it's having a lot of options, you see. So we have database plus file. You say, do you want to back up your website database plus file, that's WordPress files, and you also want to save the backup to your local. So meaning the moment you select these options, after backing up your website, it will be installed on your computer for you so that you can copy and save it for future use. You also have WordPress file excluded database. So you can back up your WordPress file excluded the database. You can also back up only your database and then send that backup to remote storage. So right now, let's see how this plugin also works. So we are all going to back up our website. We are going to back up our website using the database plus files, and then we also want to save our backup to our local. So to do that, click on backup now. Good. So our backup is now completed. It depends on a lot of information you are having on your website. You see right now we don't have a lot of information on our website. We've only created the pages and then some themes and few things. That's why the backup has finished just early like that. But when you are having more things on your page, it will take a little bit time before it will finish backing up. So right now we said the backup is complete. So it has created a page, it has created a date that you use to back up your file. So you can download the backup you have done so that you can keep it on your computer or you can keep it on your drive. So to do that, click on download. So he said now our website is being backing up. Then the file size is 32.9 megabytes. It's not huge, so you can click on download. So you see the progress from here. So the backup has been downloaded. So when you go to your PC, and then you go to download, this is the website backup. So you can copy this one and keep it for future use. If you want to take this website you have created live on the internet, maybe you have bought a domain name and then you have a hosting, then you want to host this website live on the internet, you can use this backup you've done, right? Good. So now you have downloaded this plugin. So this is how this plugin also work. So now I believe now you have gotten a deep understanding of what is a plugin and how it works. So a plugin add extra functionality to your website. So you can do a lot of research. You can do a lot of research which plugins are available for free and the one that is a pay plugin that you can also buy it for your website, right? So guys, this is what a plugin means and how it works on your website. So, in our next tutorial, we are going to learn how to use a plugin to edit the pages we have created. You see, now the pages we created, we've not edited, but there are a lot of things we can do on this website we have created. There I told you that we are going to learn how to design a website from scratch. So we have started from the scratch, basic. So that is that we are building upon. When a time comes, when we design our page, when we add more things to our website, when our website becomes more professional, we can take it live on the internet. We can host this website that we are designing. So keep subscribing, stay on this channel so that if you don't know how to design your website from scratch, and if you follow my tutorials, you may be able to design your website on your own. So thank you so much for watching these tutorials. As I told you in our next tutorials, we are going to learn how to use a plugin to edit each page that we have created so that the website we have created will look more professional. Thank you so much, but please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will stay tuned in this channel. Click on the bell icon to turn on the notification so that in the next tutorials, when I upload the next tutorial, you will not miss any further video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.